Hey, this is Heidie-Fernandez, your virtual assistant for today. In this video, I will show you how to submit your tax information to Google. So, recently, we've received a notification from Google stating that they are now required to deduct up to 24% of your total earnings worldwide. Imagine 24% reduction on your YouTube earnings. Napakalaki. So, today we're going to submit your tax information because if your tax information isn't provided by May 31, automatically Google will deduct the 24% of your total earnings. So, kailangan mag-submit na tayo before May 31 para ma-avoid natin yung mga problema sa inyong earnings sa YouTube. We are going to achieve 4 things sa video na ito. So, 4 things. That is 1, submitting your tax information to Google step-by-step guide. A walkthrough on how to submit your tax information. So, I'll walk you through step 1 up to the very last step kung paano mag-submit ng inyong tax information. Just be ready with your TIN number. And then, number 2, our next objective is to get 0% withholding tax. So, we're going to achieve that, or we're going to try to attempt to do that later. And then, from 24%, as per Google update, we are going to reduce it to 15% tax. So, we're going to do that as well with this video. And then, number 3, get past postal code error. Recently, marami akong nabasa na meron silang mga issue sa postal code error. Paano kayo? How will you get past postal code error? How are you going to work around with this issue? I'm going to walk you through that. And number 4, resubmission of your tax information. So I will show you if for some reason you think that you've submitted your tax information with wrong information or wrong data while submitting your tax info. I will show you how to redo or resubmit your tax information. Papakita ko kung paano to start over. I-override natin yung tax information na isubmit nyo na. It's not too late. If you think na merong error or erroneous yung inyong na-submit na tax information and you want to start over, I will show you how to do that. So, let's get started. Sign in to your Google AdSense account. This is your dashboard. Go to Payment. This is your payments dashboard wherein you can see your earnings. And then click Manage Tax Info. Okay. It says here, provide or update your tax information. So, we're going to start to add tax information. You will be then asked to verify or to sign in again to your account. Verification process po ito ni Google to verify kung ikaw po talaga yun. So, double sign in. Okay, this is what type, first question will be, what type of account is Heidie-Fernandez? So, this is individual. Piliin nyo lamang po yung individual at i-check lamang po yan. Click Next. Second question is, are you a citizen resident of the United States? Of course, no. This is for non-US YouTube content creator. So, no. I suggest sundan nyo lamang po yung next. And then, you will be then asked, based on your previously selected answers, a W8 form is needed. You will then choose this W8BEN. And then, click Start the form. Tax identity, we have to be sure that the correct information will be the same on your tax documents. Okay. Country of citizenship, this will be Philippines. Or where you're from. And then, you can now start, you can now put your TIN number in here. 27. Next. How to get past o paano po natin ma-correct itong error na ito, this postal code error. If you receive this or if you have this struggle or you have this issue with your submission, just leave it blank and the system will accept it. Okay? Will accept it anyway. Dito na this is probably the most critical. This is the most critical part of your submission. You have to claim a reduced rate of withholding tax under a tax treaty. We're going to submit a claim. Okay? Click yes, and then check this, and then put Philippines. Okay? Check under tax treaty information, click yes, and then submit and click this and put Philippines information. Now, under special rates and conditions, we're going to check all of this. Article 8 and paragraph 1, withholding tax will be reduced to 0% versus 30%. Which is the default rate. So, 0%, okay, click this, and then click this. Article 13 and paragraph 2A, withholding tax, 15% reduced rate. Remember, kaya po natin, we are putting 15% reduced rate because Philippines has a treaty with US. This is the copy of the tax treaty with US. Okay. And we fall under, the 15% falls under Article 14. Nandito po yan sa Article 13. Tandaan po natin, Article 13, royalties. So, puntahan natin ang Article 13. 6, Article 13. Okay, ayan po siya. In case of the United States, 15% of the gross amount of the royalties. So, this is the treaty we have, or the Philippines treaty with the US. Ito po siya. So, ilalagay natin sa ating tax information, 15%. And then reason, check this, other copyright, YouTube and Google Play, Article 13 and Paragraph 2A, 15%. Okay, 15%. Doesn't have a so check this, and then click next. Ilalagay ko po yung copy ng tax treaty sa description. Okay? So, click next. Okay. Yes. So, certification, tax treaty, Philippines, income type, services, withholding tax is 0%. So, andyan na yung ating withholding tax. And then, withholding tax rate, reduce to 15%. So, from 24%, now 15% withholding rate here for, okay, withholding rate for, I confirm this is the copy of the tax information. This is in PDF format. You can download it later. So, confirm that. This is your final option to check everything. Your permanent address, tax treaty information. Okay, 127. 127. 607. Good. For legal name. Yes, check this. Then next. Yes. Yes, no. Okay. Review this. Review and confirm. Certified solely outside the US. Okay. I am providing tax information for a new existing payments profile that hasn't received payment. So this is me. Hindi pa ko ako nakaka-receive ng payment. Okay, and then submit. Woohoo! We're done. Okay. 15, we've reduced the tax rate from 24% to 15%. Same thing here, and our services withholding tax is 0%. Now to submit, for example, you hesitated and then feeling mo may mali. There's, you put wrong information on your tax information. You put wrong data on your tax information. Bigla kayo natauhan, may nakalimutan kayo, mali pala. Hindi pa ko endgame, hindi pa siya tapos. You can resubmit your form. Just click here and it will override kung ano man po yung unang inyong nasubmit. So, if you want to change the form you've submitted, you have a chance to do it by clicking this button here, and it will override everything that you have submitted. So, again, just click this button and submit and start a new one. Submit a new form. you will just resubmit your form or your information, the same cycle, the same procedure, and mag-override po ito dun sa inyong previously submitted. Good luck, and thank you for watching.